on, the Delhi police have denied permission for Arvind Kejriwal's Gherao protest tomorrow. The police have justified the decision on the grounds that Parliament is in session and prohibitory orders are in place. Kejriwal has planned a Gherao protest at many politicians' houses, amongst them the Prime Minister and BJP Chief Nitin Gadkari. And for the protest at Jantar Mantar, the police want Kejriwal to give an undertaking that there will be no violation of law and order. The Delhi Metro has already planned to shut down 6 key metro stations to prevent protesters from gathering for the Gherao.
It was the duty of Delhi police to register an FIR against all the ministers who indulged in corruption. It was their duty to arrest all those ministers who indulged in corruption. They did not do their duty, and that is why we are on the roads. And when we are on the roads protesting, now they are saying we are going to crush you. So let them do their job, we'll do our job.
They've also made it a point to tell you that, since during the agitation the last time round, you didn't seem to have quite a handle on the volunteers and the behaviors and their behavior. So they're like, we won't trust any undertaking coming from the ISC this time round.
What wrong did we do last time?
So, saying with there was some sort of with them going to the Prime Minister's house and with sort of behavior that was on display.
So the people who went to Prime Minister's house, they were all youngsters, young boys and girls who were very agitated with the levels of corruption. Isn't it the duty of the Prime Minister of this country to sit with his youngsters and ask them what's wrong, why are you so agitated, rather than sending the police against them? What is the duty of a Prime Minister? Indulge in corruption and then sit in his thing and not talk to the people of this country.
Another, 6 metro stations will be closed tomorrow to prevent the agitators from breaching the residence of the Prime Minister and the opposition leader Nitin Gadkari. Do you think this is a desperate measure on the part of the Delhi police?
Not just that, the more bigger issue is that when BJP does a protest, when Congress does a protest, when CPM does a protest, they don't close down metro stations. So this means that the government is not afraid of political parties, they are afraid of the people of this country.
किसी पॉलिटिकल कॉज से अगर ये कर रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल गलत है ये, क्योंकि लोग जनता सफ़र करती है, इससे बहुत परेशानी होती है. अगर अरविंद जी कर रहे हैं तो वो सबके लिए कर रहे हैं, अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं. और गवर्नमेंट को ये मेट्रो बंद कराना एक साजिश है ताकि लोग वहाँ ना पहुँचें और अन्ना जी का जो और उनकी टीम का जो ये लक्ष्य है ये पूरा ना हो. लेकिन जो जनता उनको सहयोग कर रही है वो किसी भी तरह वहाँ पहुँचेगी. मेट्रो बंद कराने से अरविंद जी के अन्ना जी का जो कॉज है उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा और ये पूरी तरह सफल होगा.
Setting of metro stations is not at all a good option because the rains and the traffic and the roads, the condition is not at all good. So the metro is the only option and shutting down is not going to help.
अगर ये मेट्रो स्टेशन बंद होते हैं तो हम डेली पैसेंजर जो डेली आते जाते हैं उनको आने जाने में प्रॉब्लम होगी.
एक्चुअली बंद नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि अगर एक दिन भी मेट्रो बंद हो तो कितने करोड़ों लोगों की आवाजाही होती है मेट्रो स्टेशन से, तो काफ़ी फर्क पड़ेगा इन सब में.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.